how to use the zone calculator tool from Precip-Mate. We're going to use it with this as being our model. This is a front and backyard of a home that I recently installed. Find the tool. Now at this particular property, I know that it's 12 gallons a minute. We do have a 1-inch main line. If you need to be able to measure your gallons per minute, there's also a tool here that you can use. Find GPM. There's also a video for that as well. Okay, back into the tool. You just put down your pipe size, GPM, choose the brand that you're going to use, and okay, so for example here, we have this property. Let me see if I can expand this so you can see it a little better. These are the measurements that we're using. So 8 feet on the side of the house, 80 feet for the property, 25 feet, 31 feet, 15 feet. Okay, just so you have an example, or so there's an example of what we're trying to accomplish here. We'll just do a single zone on this. So here's the example with a layout. Let's see if we can do the entire front yard using MP rotators. By doing that, or to do that, we would go rotary heads. Actually, I'll use Hunter. I prefer Hunter for rotary heads. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and our measurements were 25 feet. So take these 22 to 30 feet. These are the heads that we're going to use. We have 4 corners, and then we have 2 half circles. So there we are, we've added those. The entire front yard is going to take a single zone at 8.3 GPM, which means there's actually more left if you need it available. We might actually be able to do the side of the house. Let's see, we'll go ahead and see if we can do that. We know this was 8 feet, so let's scroll down until we find, these are 13 to 21, there we go, 8 to 15. We know there's 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. We have 4 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4 halves. And we can do this entire front yard and side of the house off of these MP rotators. This will let you know that you're using 11.42 GPM and you have 0.6 GPM left. It's 14 heads total. That is actually shocking that it can cover that big of an area. If you were doing rotors, it would have most likely been 2 zones for the front yard and 1 for the side yard for spray heads. Anyway, that's just a quick tutorial on how to use the zone calculator tool from Precip-Mate. Check us out on our app for Precip-Mate for Android and Apple, or go to sprinklersystemcalculator.com. Thank you.